1, 2, 3, start. So, regulated market is another step government may think of. The protection of the grower is very important. That is linked with the prospective increase in production, which furthers ultimately export promotion. I have a few more points to make. Then we have come to know that government, particularly the Ministry of Commerce, has given instructions to make it compulsory to use jute bags for cement, for packing cement. I think other user departments should also be prevailed upon to use jute bags so that jute may substitute. Jute may replace the synthetic packing material for packing food grains, fertilizers, sugar, and so on. There is another promising possibility: the jute bags may even substitute plywood tea chests. Following the international meet at Budapest, a suggestion has been made for changing the packing material from plywood to other materials. This has been desired by the importing countries as desired by the importing countries. The Tea Board of India has been going into the matter, and it has been found that this can be used for domestic and export use. Bags can be made of odorless jute material with a lining provided to protect it from odor as well as moisture. If this materializes, I think the tea industry will be able to come to the rescue of the jute industry. There should be a lining inside and it should be free from odor. Here the question of research and development comes, which is one of the aims of the bill and on which the Honorable Minister has been so eloquent. For this, we have to organize research so that jute material can be improved and can be used as an alternative to many other packing materials. Sir, before I conclude, I would like to say something about Assam. Assam is a jute growing state, but so far no proper survey has been made. I think still a lot has to be done. Of course, it is not a small area, but much more areas can be brought under jute cultivation. In fact, all over Assam, jute cultivation can be introduced in this connection. I would also like to suggest to the government that the local people need to be involved in jute cultivation. We have a jute mill there. In the cooperative sector, I have already said we have to resort to cooperative efforts. I do admit that the cooperative jute mill there is not running well, but the management can be improved. There is one more jute mill which is yet to come in Dharang district.